Hi, my name is Michael. I'm here at Clark's. It don't matter if you're at Clark's, Whole Foods, or everyone. All the supermarket carry the same brand for the laundry detergent and dish soap. So they all have chemicals. So I just wanted to show you, like educate you. There was no regulation since the 1970s. Here, come check it out. Here's uh, the hand soap. When you don't look by its book cover, looks but behind the ingredients label, and it shows you right here the ingredients label, and it doesn't tell you anything. But if you can't pronounce the name backwards, that's the ingredient. There's chemicals in it, and then it takes about 30, 60 seconds to go to your bloodstreams, and then it's not good for your health, and cause a lot of health problems. And these chemicals can dry out your hands. All these chemicals. So remember, when you look at stuff, when you're buying personal care products or dish soaps, all these, don't judge by its book cover. You gotta turn the back, and it tells you the ingredients label. And here's the uh, these are dish soaps, but here is the major brands of the laundry detergent, seventh generation. That's the only thing they sell at all those organic Mother's Market. Everyone, they show you everywhere. So these are the major brands of the detergent. But it doesn't mean it's organic though. So when you turn the ingredient label, it has all these chemicals in it. It has water, sodium citrate, sodium sulfite sulfate. That's a chemical. This doesn't mean it's organic ingredients. See, you cannot pronounce the names. It has it's a preservative. You see that? That's a preservative. All these have chemicals. Read the ingredients label, or you can go to the website ewg.org. Skin Deep. You check out um, the chemicals ingredient. Tell you from 1 to 10. So it tells you the ingredients label. So these are all the this soap, from hand soap to the laundry detergent. So all these have this is the biggest brand, is seventh generation. It does not mean ingredients doesn't. This is the biggest company, but labels don't lie. People lie. So I educate you. Just turn the ingredients label around. Make sure you don't use chemical. We have the laundry detergent. It's toxic free and chemical free. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.